Yes, I can see you.
Pretty as
Looking
ever.
good. You look pretty yourself.
Imran, thank you so much. It's so good to see you, man.
Good to see you, man. It's been a while.
It's been a very long while. Guess what?
How
I made a
long has it
special.
been?
How long? What?
How long has it been?
It's been a good 10 years, I think. 10
Yeah?
साल हो गए हैं.
I think we met on a reality show
नहीं
in
वो
the
जैसे
middle.
कि when we were
वो काम
speaking
था.
about it, Imi, reality show में you were working, I was working. It wasn't like a meeting.
Yeah.
Last time, I'll remind you where you met me. You met me when you had very graciously come for my reception,
Of
and
course.
you were pointing your finger at me and laughing. It's so good to see you, man.
Good to see you,
And
man.
thank you so much for doing this. I know this is not something you do normally, but I really appreciate
No,
it.
this is my first Instagram actually, and
I'm your
it's
first.
you're my first. My
I'll
wife
be
will be very
gentle.
pissed off with that. My wife will be very pissed off. I hope she's not signed in looking at this, but you're the first, Vishal.
My wife is very angry with you about that whole pointing incidents and laughing. So that's why she's kept me away from you. I've tried a lot of times and मैंने कोशिश की है कि मैं आपसे आकर मिलूं because we live very close by. लेकिन she
Yeah.
gets a whiff of this and she stops me. She doesn't let us meet.
लेकिन तो शिफ्ट हो गया क्या? यहीं पे पालील पे? Or you shifted somewhere, I heard.
Yeah, from there I moved about 5 minutes away.
Don't give your address now. लड़कियां पहुंच जाएंगी. So,
I hope.
yeah.
I hope.
Keep
I
that.
hope.
Yeah.
I hope. लेकिन वो आजकल होता
Just
नहीं
make
है.
sure the wife is not looking. Yeah.
दिन बदल गए मेरे दोस्त. वो दिन चले गए.
But you're looking young as ever, Malhotra.
Thank you so much. I've been waiting
What's
to
the
chat with
secret?
you. So,
What's the secret? Aloe vera.
secret is that I apply certain lotions on all over my body, which
Just
is
let me
good.
know. Please.
Of course.
Just spare the
of
details.
course.
Spare the details. Just let's talk about the face, and just send me some tips.
Okay. By the way, I made a playlist for you and everything. ये मैं बहुत ही
Don't embarrass me. Please don't embarrass me.
Yeah, I did. I can look. You can hear it.
Oh,
Wait.
jeez.
Come on, it's one of the good songs.
It is. They're all good.
Imi, come on.
There's a long list. There's a
Come
long
on,
list.
You wanna do this? Yeah,
That's
baby.
as much as you'll get.
Yeah, baby. इमरान थोड़ा सा हिंदी में बात करेंगे क्योंकि आपके जो करोड़ों जो फैंस हैं. फर्स्टली यार आपको मुझे एक फोन देने की जरूरत है. यू ओव मी अ फोन, अ टेलीफोन. द मोमेंट आपने पोस्ट किया कि आप ये कर रहे हैं मेरे साथ, माय फोन इज ब्लोन अप. मैं अपनी वाइफ का फोन यूज कर रहा हूँ. अदरवाइज हाँ. But I'd really like to tell you as to why I'm doing this, if that's okay with you. Out of the blue, 10 साल के बाद.
Yeah, please.
Besides the obvious reason that it's really nice to connect and all this stuff, it's been really awesome that कि इतने साल गुजर गए हैं कि I've been fortunate enough to be working in films and television and a lot of these things, and in that duration I have come across and I've met so many amazing people, and इसमें से बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं who have left an impact in your life and have been involved in a lot of good things in your life. And just wanted to say that as embarrassed as you will be, you're one of those people. You're way up there.
Oh, sweet.
Oh no, but really, man, really, thank you very much. मैं जानता हूँ कि हमने सिर्फ एक ही फिल्म की है साथ में, but you're just really amazing, man, and you're my favorite.
Yeah, well, it's like they say, it's not about the number of films. जो एक्सपीरियंस था जन्नत का, और मैं लोगों को अभी कहता हूँ कि वो चंद फिल्में हैं जिसकी कहानियां सक्सेस की तो एक साइड पे हैं, लेकिन जो बिहाइंड द सीन्स, जो हंसी मजाक, जिस तरह हमने शूटिंग की, हंसी मजाक था, टेंशन भी था क्योंकि हम लोग 14-15 घंटे शूटिंग करते थे केप टाउन में, बट इट वाज ऑल वर्थ इट बाय द एंड ऑफ इट.
Absolutely.
और इट वाज क्वाइट लैंडमार्क क्योंकि उसके बाद मुकेश जी ने आई थिंक 10 फिल्में शूट की वहां पे केप टाउन में, और मैं एक्चुअली घर खरीदने वाला था केप टाउन में. I was going to shift over
हाँ
there. Literally,
yeah
he
I
just
mean
cracked the best business deal over there. So he ended up shooting, I think, 10 more films, which
thanks
was
to
all
Kunal
thanks to
Deshmukh
Jannat.
थैंक्स टू
Oh
कुणाल
yes,
देशमुख जो इस फिल्म के डायरेक्टर हैं जन्नत
जी.
के साउथ अफ्रीका की जो गवर्नमेंट है गवर्नेंस है उन्हें उन्हें थैंक यू बोलना चाहिए क्योंकि मुकेश
Hmm.
भट्ट जी जो प्रोड्यूसर थे उन्होंने आई रिमेम्बर व्हेन वी वर शूटिंग फॉर जन्नत मोहित
Yeah.
सूरी हैड कम देयर क्योंकि वो रेकी करने वाले थे अगली फिल्म की आई थिंक आवारापन की
Hmm.
रेकी के लिए वो आए
Hmm.
थे
Hmm.
और मैं शूट से गुटली मैंने ली और मैं उनके साथ में चला गया था
Hmm.
आपके जो फिल्म में जो लोकेशन होने वाली थी उसकी हंटिंग
Okay.
मोहित वाज हियर अबाउट 2-3 days ago
Oh, okay.
और उन्होंने
Nice.
आपकी काफी भांडा खोली है मैं आपको बता दूं
Aja? All right.
but how you doing man I mean how have you been and why haven't we met in such a long time I know you've been
Well,
tremendously
how
busy
have
and
I
all of those
been?
things
How have I been? If that's a sneaky way of trying to find out if I have had COVID, no, I didn't get COVID.
and I hope you never do and I hope everybody seeing this never do get that
Yeah, well, we're all in this boat together. और I think बहुत stressful time है. ये एक बहुत बड़ा change है हम सब के लिए. I think more than anything, of course, physically we need to be strong, mentally we need to be strong, emotionally we need to be strong. तो बहुत weird times है. कभी ऐसा हुआ नहीं है जहाँ पे हम
बिल्कुल
सब घर पे बैठे हैं, काम नहीं हो रहा है, not meeting our friends and loved ones. तो बहुत testing period है, but by the grace of God, I think you, me, we've got it kind of easy. I think बाहर
बिल्कुल
जब we looking
बिल्कुल
at बहुत सारे गरीब लोग और जिस तरह
सर
वो
पे छत है खाने को
कठिनाई
खाना
उठा
है
रहे हैं. Hmm?
सर पे छत है खाने को खाना है
Yeah, exactly. So I don't want to complain, but I just hope for everyone this gets sorted as soon as possible.
dude today of course everybody knows Imran Hashmi as this really successful actor and all that stuff but more than anything I'd like to really talk about everything in general क्योंकि लोगों को ये भी पता होना चाहिए कि as you said कि we're all in this boat together और बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो थोड़ा सा डिप्रेस्ड हो रहे हैं लो हो रहे हैं and you coming on and telling them कि even you're human and things are the same for Imran Hashmi as well as
जी
जो यादव मेरे वॉचमैन है वो सब सेम ही है हम सब सेम ही है इस वक्त
जी
और सबकी
जी
जिंदगी में ऊपर भी होती है और there's failures in everybody's lives also but you have
जी
3 films which are under production and ready to release I think
yeah
one
yeah
I mean what's that
बहुत एक्चुअली जो सिचुएशन हमारी इंडस्ट्री जिस चीज से गुजर रही है
by the way
अगेन
sorry
इन
I'm
फिल्मों के
disturbing you
साथ
एक minute would you like a cup of tea or coffee
just pass it on man.
yeah
Thank you thank you so
cheers
much man. Cheers. तो जिस चीज से हम आई थिंक फिल्मों का एक पता नहीं कि थिएटर्स कब खुलेंगे, पता नहीं थिएटर्स खुलने के बाद लोग आएंगे या नहीं आएंगे, ये एक बहुत बड़ी समस्या है. और मेरी एक्चुअली 3 फिल्में मैं शूट कर रहा था पिछले साल में, 2 कंप्लीट हो चुकी हैं. मुंबई सागा की आई थिंक 3 दिन बाकी है शूटिंग की.
संजय गुप्ता
चेहरे
you and
जी
John Abraham
संजय गुप्ता and
that's really
John, yes.
exciting मैंने
There's
I
an
saw a poster of
ensemble,
that
lot of
yeah
जी
I saw a poster of that and you're a cop in that
yeah
I've never seen
yeah
you as a
that's the
cop
first. I don't know what they were thinking. I think they're off the rockers.
no but
लेकिन
it's
आई
looking
थिंक
damn
वेलकम
good
चेंज है. नहीं, वेलकम चेंज है क्योंकि जब मैं कहानी सुन रहा था तो वेरी सरप्राइजिंगली संजय जब सुना रहा था मुझे वैन में, तो उन्होंने कहा नहीं था मैं
this
कौन
is
सा
Sanjay
कैरेक्टर प्ले
Gupta
कर
the
रहा
director
हूँ.
Sanjay Gupta
या
the director
संजय गुप्ता.
हाँ
तो मैं बाय डिफॉल्ट मेरी सेटिंग ऐसी थी कि ठीक है आप डन वंस अपॉन अ टाइम मुंबई, तो ये डॉन का कैरेक्टर होगा. देन उन्होंने कहा कि आप ये कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रहे हैं, एंड आई फाउंड इट वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. लेकिन ये कॉप भी ही इज नथिंग लेस देन अ गून और अ गैंगस्टर. ही इज रूथलेस एंड ही इज आउट टू गेट दिस गाय, एक्सट्रीमली ड्रिवन, और बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग कैरेक्टर है. तो हमने एक्चुअली शूटिंग खत्म कर ली है, 3 दिन बाकी हैं. But out of those 3 days also there is a big set song which is still balanced, so we
तो
have put up the
The set is up
put
right
up the
now.
set and shoot it. So we have to put up the set after the lockdown. Whenever the lockdown ends, पता नहीं जो work crew होगा वो किस तरह rules होंगे. Limited crew में shooting करनी पड़ेगी.
I wanna ask you this here, and I'm sorry if I'm cutting your sentence short. Huh? There's a little
No,
lag.
please. Yeah.
You know, as from an actor's point of view, you know, हम करेंगे कैसे, क्योंकि ये बहुत कांटेक्ट होता है. आप आते ही मेकअप जब लगता है तो कोई और आपके चेहरे पर मेकअप डालता है, फिर जो माइक है वो माइक अप करने के लिए आपके शर्ट वर्ट अंदर मतलब वो छुपाना पड़ता है. स्टाइलिस्ट है जो आपके कपड़े पर तो एज एन एक्टर आई मीन इज इट लिटिल स्कैरी राइट नाउ, बिकॉज़ आई एम जस्ट वंडरिंग हाउ डू वी गेट बैक.
Well, that is one thing that I've been asking people क्योंकि लोग कह रहे हैं कि ठीक है एक लिमिटेड क्रू के साथ आप शूटिंग करेंगे, आप सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग फॉलो कर सकते हैं. But then what about the actors? They are the most exposed on set. I mean, we can't shoot with face masks on. At the same time, जब हम interact कर रहे हैं scenes में, we can't have that kind of distance in scenes. So, what will be the way forward? इसका जवाब unfortunately किसी के पास नहीं है.
Yeah.
I think for any industry, I think the worst hit are the people who have invested the money into films, financiers, producers. Actors be affected hai, but I think we are somewhere, it's a little cushion for us. But, you know, the way forward, I don't know how we're going to shoot these films, complete them. और हमारी फिल्म तो सिर्फ 3 दिन बाकी है. Imagine that films जो 60 दिन बाकी हैं, 70 दिन बाकी हैं, वो कैसे complete करेंगे एक limited crew के साथ. So, I think everything is up in the air right now. इसके कोई solutions नहीं है. I think it'll get clear as time goes by. We'll have to see how this virus kind of responds, how it mutates, if it kind of dies out, hopefully. और जो curve होता है वो flatten हो जाए जल्द से जल्द.
You know, okay. The idea out here is, of course, to accept reality, but also to stay a little away from it for another how much ever time I have you for. So let's just talk about some stuff, fun stuff also. Firstly, I loved you in Bar of Blood. I think
Thank you.
it was just, I loved the show in general, and I just found a really awesome side of you. So really, man, kudos. I think that was, it looked,
Thank you.
ऐसा लग रहा था कि बहुत मुश्किल था वो शो, वो जो locations वगैरह थे.
हाँ यार बहुत मुश्किल था क्योंकि it's like shooting to more than 2 films at a stretch. मेरे लिए ये फॉर्मेट बहुत अलग था because we used to shooting films और आप फिल्म को शूट करते हैं 40, 50, 70 दिन में
आराम से.
कभी-कभी 100 दिन हाँ कभी-कभी 100 दिन भी लग जाते हैं but the pace is a little leisurely, it's leisurely paced. लेकिन इसमें जब आपके पास इतने scenes हैं, you have to shoot multiple scenes every day और multiple locations थे. जैसे Bar of Blood में हमने I think over 6 or 7 locations shoot किए थे. Right from you know oxygen deprived Leh Ladakh.
Oh yeah.
And then we shot in Delhi, we shot in places in Rajasthan, Mumbai. तो बहुत सारे locations थे. But I think ये format जो है OTT का, I'm very excited with it.
No,
जिस तरह की writing है, it's fantastic.
I'm so excited to see you there. I
yeah,
really feel
I was excited with the material.
Tell me if I'm wrong, but from what little I know of you, आपको एक बिल्कुल एक मौका मिल गया है Oxygen की तरह, that it allows you to experiment with roles that you've always wanted to do.
Yeah.
Like even if I talk about body.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, it was with Rishi Kapoor, and I think that's an added plus that you got to work with him in the last minute.
Yes, dream come true.
Talk me through a little of that, because Rishi Kapoor was one. Okay, I promise you, it was a treat for somebody like me, because I'm a die-hard Rishi Kapoor fan. I love.
So am I. So am I.
I've always wanted to work with him, and दो films ऐसी थी पिछले 5 साल में जहाँ पर होते नहीं हुई, but everything happens for the best. But tell us about that experience. Was he really scary to work with?
No, he's not. I had preconceived notions, जैसे हम सबके notions है उनके tweets को देखकर. So I felt that he'll be extremely volatile on the set. पता नहीं कितने घंटे देंगे shooting के लिए. Sometimes, you know, there's this thing कि मैं 1 या 2 takes से ज़्यादा नहीं दूंगा. There are these preconceived notions that it was completely my fault. I'd imagined these things about him. लेकिन जब मैं उनसे मिला, he's very chilled out. He's very lovable. और we had a lot of things to talk about actually. A lot of things in common क्योंकि मेरे family में बहुत सारे relatives के साथ वो काम कर चुके हैं. He's my neighbor. He stays, you know, he was staying right back there before his bungalow was demolished. and we had some great conversations. और बहुत कुछ सीखने को ही मिला. So I think that was like a one off the bucket list for me, because it was working with someone जो अमर अकबर एंथनी से लेके कर्ज ऐसी फिल्में उन्होंने की हैं. We have really idolized and yearn to kind of be that naturalistic like he's been on screen. और first hand मैंने उनका process देखा set पे. So it's a big loss for the industry. Both Irfan and Rishi ji. It was a big blow, one after the other in 2 days. It was shocking.
Yeah, it was horrible, man. Anyways, we're going through this rubbish time and then this news, but you're lucky that you worked with both of them.
Yeah.
But talking about body, there's one really impactful shot, and I've been meaning to ask you this. Did you did you eat out of the toilet?
So
What
it was
actually?
Yeah. No, that was the first question I asked them. Because it was seen as actually the entire film is taken from the Spanish film. It's been remade. तो मैंने कहा कि यार ऐसा ये scene कैसे करेंगे? So obviously we had to get a new pot, a new commode. So I did the udghatan. I removed the paper from the commode. I asked 10 questions about the bill. Made sure it was not used before.
ये झूठ बोल रहे हैं क्योंकि मुझे मालूम है ये कितने मेथड एक्टर हैं, कितने डेडिकेटेड एक्टर हैं.
Yeah, I love
उन्होंने बोला कि दुनिया का सबसे गंदा टॉयलेट वहां पर शूटिंग करेंगे.
Why not? Yeah, I love it. It was one of those kinks come true. So and then we fill it up with distillery water.
But still, yeah.
Put a little bit of shit in it. No, just clean distillery water, and I just remove the paper and I chewed on it. It's not very pleasant.
फिर भी यार distillery पानी के साथ and all that stuff, putting your hand.
Yeah. It's just the fact that there was a commode there and the visual aspect wasn't very appealing.
One person that I've worked with, and I know it's on everybody's bucket list also, is Amitabh Bachchan, and he's the guy that you have another film with, जो अभी is up for release, right? Bombay Saga? Is Bombay Saga with
Yes, that's Chehre. फिल्म शूटिंग हमने कंप्लीट कर ली है. दिसंबर में हमारा लास्ट शेड्यूल था. हमने स्लोवाकिया में शूटिंग की. And again, big fan of Amit ji. Slovakia. So we had shot the whole climax there. Had a lot of fun shooting the film. Lambe scenes the, a lot of dialogues. Very unnerving to be again shooting with someone who you idolize and kind of has been a role model for me forever.
Yeah.
तो पहले दिन बस यही डर था कि यार मैं डायलॉग नहीं बोलूं इनके सामने. Because that fears that you might be as prepped, and sometimes you over prep because you don't want to screw this up, right?
But that's not you, right? I mean, I know that. Firstly,
no, I done it for this.
With your permission, I want to tell something,
please,
about you. Correct me if I'm wrong. This is just my observation. That you come across as this really laid back. You're very, very prepped, and you know exactly what you're doing.
Yes,
I thought about the shoot part of it.
Yeah, so by the time I was given a month to prep for the film, the dialogues are given. Obviously, we had it's a huge script, so I just kind of mugged it up front to back, and I was really prepped for it. But I was like, with all this prepping, जब आप एक ऐसे कलाकार के साथ आप कैमरा फेस करते हैं, you have a lot of nerves, but it went off very smoothly.
Your first time?
Yeah. So it went off smoothly, and we had a great time shooting for that film. तो अभी देखते हैं रिलीज का क्या होगा.
हाँ, और बहुत लोग समझते नहीं है कि फिल्म्स जो हैं वो बनाई जाती हैं, अगर वो एक कमर्शियल एस्पेक्ट आप लो तो वो बनाई जाती हैं फिल्म रिलीज के लिए ऑन थिएटर्स एंड वर्ल्ड वाइड, और हर फिल्म को आप ओटीटी प्लेटफॉर्म में रिलीज नहीं कर पाते हैं क्योंकि वो कॉस्ट रिकवरी नहीं होती है.
जी.
तो इट्स नॉट दैट सिंपल. तो ये लेकिन आई जस्ट वांट टू टेल यू दैट एज एन एक्टर मुझे बहुत जोरों से शूटिंग आ रही है यार.
मुझे भी बहुत आ रही है यार.
बहुत.
I really miss the madness, the nerves, the anxiety, the fun, और बस जल्दी एक इसका सोल्यूशन निकल जाए और हम सेट पे फिर से पहुंच जाए. पता नहीं वो डेट कब होगा, वो महीना कब होगा, but hopefully it should happen soon.
So I just want to tell you that I read The Kiss of Life.
Yeah.
and I absolutely loved it. I mean, it was
Yeah, thank you.
simplistically informative. ये नहीं कि
Thank you.
कोई ज्ञान दे रहा था, and that was my take of it. But what I really loved
Thank you.
about it the most is, and I was surprised क्योंकि of course मैंने आपका वो हिस्सा नहीं देखा है of your personality, and I'm so happy that you got out of it. But the thing is that जो last 2-3 chapters हैं, it just dealt with so much of the holistic stuff.
Yeah.
That was amazing.
So,
yeah.
yeah, that was a big revelation for us. Because, you know, it's just when a catastrophe like this happens, you have to dig deep और बहुत सारे सवाल आप पूछते हैं about the, you know, just the health of your family, your loved ones, कि चीजें इतनी fragile हो सकती हैं. The emotional state that we were in was it was extremely turbulent. तो
Amy, you
वो
don't
एक
have to
fear
talk
था
about
कि
it.
यार
If you don't
no,
want
I
to.
know, but I've spoken so much about it that it's fine. I mean, the fact that I penned the book was that my friend Mr. Hussain Zaidi actually asked me, you know, painful होगा ये process को फिर से relive करना और एक किताब में लिखना, but we felt it's very important क्योंकि इससे लोगों तक ये message आ सकता है, एक तरह से शिक्षा मिलेगी लोगों को, in case खुदा न खास्ता उनकी फैमिली में भी ऐसा हो.
एक आम आदमी को ये जो मैसेज है वो बहुत अच्छी तरह से मिलता है क्योंकि इसमें टेक्निकलिटीज नहीं है, ज्ञान नहीं है. बस ये है कि यार ये नॉर्मल प्रोसीजर्स हैं जिंदगी के. फॉर एग्जांपल देयर आर सो मेनी नेचुरल थिंग्स इन दिस वर्ल्ड कि अगर हम नेचुरली अगर अपने न्यूट्रिशन में हम ध्यान दें तो वी कैन टेक केयर ऑफ 80% ऑफ आवर एलिमेंट्स.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah. I think it's very, very important for the present scenario right now also with COVID. क्योंकि जितनी आपकी इम्यूनिटी अच्छी होगी उतना आप इफेक्टिवली इस चीज को आप कॉम्बैट कर पाएंगे. It's for people who are immunocompromised, for older people who have a low immunity that are more susceptible to this disease या दूसरे diseases भी. तो बहुत important है कि आप अपनी खुराक अपनी इम्यूनिटी अच्छी रखें and you can effectively fight off these pathogens and for that matter even cancer.
Well, you know, thanks for that book. Yeah, that was really amazing. Kind of showed a very different side of you also. So it was really nice. I meant to show you the book, but I couldn't find it today. So I just wanted to show it to you. But it was really nice. Before we continue, can you just say hi to all your fans out here? क्योंकि बहुत सारे भरे हुए हैं और आकर hello.
Hi guys.
So if you want to pick up a few names and if you want to just say hi.
Fantastic. Quirky, hi Quirky, Harsh Rajput, how are you doing? Vivek Sharma, hi. Yeah, my favorite film too, Jannat.
मेरी भी favorite film है, Jannat.
I think these are my two favorite films, Jannat and Avarapan.
Yeah.
All-time favorites. And great experiences working offset also.
Let's be very clear. Jannat 1 or Jannat 2?
Jannat 1, because, you know, the first one's always closer to your heart.
Yeah.
Jannat 2 also was good, was fun.
Of course.
But I think जो एक essence था Jannat का, the one we kind of hit upon the first part with the love story and when it was something special. It was also a very risky film for its time क्योंकि match fixing पे कभी इस किस्म की film नहीं बनी थी and we were very we didn't know what. I mean, we were all very gung ho about the film and it played out very well. मुझे याद है कि जब फिल्म रिलीज हुई थी तो तभी आईपीएल पहले साल शुरू हुआ था और सब डरे हुए थे कि यार ये फिल्म खुलेगी नहीं खुलेगी, बॉक्स ऑफिस पर लोग आएंगे कि नहीं आएंगे. और कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स का पहला मैच था और मैं कैलकाटा गया था फॉर द फर्स्ट शो एंड there was this huge line outside the theater and the shows were booked out. So it just kind of snowballed into something that we didn't expect the film to do. But it was a special film, a very well-made film, and it just had its soul and essence, you know.
Yeah, it really felt good while shooting it also. बहुत मजा आ रहा था.
Yeah.
But Sonal was here. Sonal was here a few days ago also, and she remembers you very fondly, and she complains and she complains that you're not in touch with her as much as.
Of course, she messages you time to time, and I message her back.
Achha, so I'm the only one you don't message back. I see. Okay.
Why you don't message, but you decide to catch up on live Instagram?
Oh, that makes me sound really bad.
That's what you do.
That makes me sound really horrible.
it took a catastrophe like this, Vishal, to get in touch with me. That also on Instagram Live.
No, wait a
You
minute.
couldn't send a text. You
Oh,
couldn't send
wait
a
a minute.
WhatsApp
अभी
message.
बहुत
You
हो गया.
couldn't call.
दुनिया वाले लोगों, अगर आप ये बात सुन रहे हो, इमरान हाशमी की बात मत सुनो. इनफैक्ट आई टेल यू, मैंने इमरान से बात की थी. आई थिंक मैंने मैसेज और कॉल किया था करीबन 1 साल पहले, और मैंने कहा था कि इमरान
What rubbish? What nonsense? What a
I
liar.
remember now that you've
And of course,
risen the
there's
monster.
no way
I'll
of
tell
checking
you.
this. There's no way of checking this, Vishal, is there?
There is. I'll tell you. Listen. So I'd message and
Listen to
Imran
me.
just,
If you had called up, I would have answered the call. I would have called back.
no, you messaged me back, yaar. I messaged you and you messaged me back. हाँ, it's not, मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि you didn't call me back. I said I messaged you about a year ago जब मैंने I think I'd spoken to Amy and I said, Amy, I want to work in the film that you're.
I am Amy. What do you mean you spoke to Amy?
I said, I'm telling the world, yaar. Third party.
अच्छा, okay. अच्छा, okay, third party.
I'm making the third frontier.
Third.
I've become a very mature actor.
Okay. Very good, very good. Please start films, please, so that this man can go on set.
I've become a producer, okay? I've been shooting ad films and all for the last 1.5 years.
Arey, fantastic, yeah.
So be nice
That's
to me.
Great. I will.
But I had messaged you because I had said that, Amy, you're starting a film which sounds very interesting, and I'd love to come and read for you. And at that point, Amy was like, yeah.
Which film was this? Which film was this?
It was for
Bard of Blood.
Captain Nawab, was it?
Captain Nawab. Now, वो क्या film बनी नहीं तो?
हाँ, Nubeel Reyes, जिसको भी पैसे देना है यहाँ पर please charity start.
Please, yeah. If anyone can come and finance the film again, we start it again.
But talking about Jannat, you know, when it released, I was hosting the IPL live. I was one of the anchors on IPL. So I'll tell you a very funny thing that happened. तो film तो बहुत बड़ी hit हो गई. और मुझे याद है कि हमारे प्रोड्यूसर जी वहाँ कुमकुम आंटी हैं, और मैं 9 बजे सुबह शूटिंग कर रहा था फिल्म सिटी में, और मुझे 9 बजे सुबह फोन आया कुमकुम आंटी का, और उन्होंने कहा कि जन्नत सुपर हिट होगी. मैंने बोला कुमकुम आंटी 9 बजे सुबह ये कैसे हो सकता है? अरे you don't believe me, call him, I speak to Mahesh ji. I said how यार, तो एहसास ही नहीं था. और फिर
I got the funniest thing for me was that when the whole mob frenzy happened in that cinema in Calcutta, I was locked into a toilet by the manager. That was the only place, because the audience, they were just all over the theater. They had gone into the manager's office. There was some small loo somewhere. So one of the managers came there. He said, "Sir, आप यहीं रहिए क्योंकि things are not in control here." And I was over there. I was like, for how long? And I was in the toilet for like 10 minutes, man.
क्या बात कर रहे
हैं? Till the cops came, Till the cops came and things were kind of, in place. They kind of subsided.
Okay, this happened with you. Okay, now I remember. I don't think you remember telling me, but while we were in Cape Town,
in Hyderabad.
No. I tell you, one of our many heart-to-hearts. You know, you said that in your first film, Footpath, Raghu was the character, right?
Yeah, the first show, yeah.
So you went for a film hoping that people would recognize you at where was it? Metro Cinemas in Bombay.
Yeah, Metro Cinema, yeah.
And why don't you talk us through that story? But that's
I wanted to get recognized. I wanted to sign autographs and
हिंदी में बोल रहे.
No one really gave. किसी ने मुझे वहाँ पे attention नहीं दिया सिनेमा में, मेट्रो में. मैं वहाँ खड़ा था कैंटीन में इंटरवल के टाइम पे, और मैं वेट कर रहा था कि कोई तो पहचानेगा. अभी ये गलती मेरे मेकअप मैन की थी फिल्म में, क्योंकि ऐसा कलर डाल दिया था मेरे चेहरे पर कि सब कुछ ढक गया था. लोगों को समझ में नहीं आ रहा था. फिर वहां से एक होटल थिएटर के अशर ने वो वहां से चिल्लाया, अरे देख रघु. एंड देन फ्रॉम देयर द विस्पर स्टार्टेड. And then I think half the theater, all mass audience, half the theater was in the street. So traffic jam tha, we couldn't get our car out. And it was my first film, and I felt like, this is like a bit of a summer job, because I wasn't taking acting seriously. I was like, I'll go on to something else. My passion was मैं फिल्मों
Direction,
में
right?
स्पेशल इफेक्ट्स में जाना चाहता
Oh,
था, एनिमेशन स्पेशल इफेक्ट्स। और जब ये मैंने विटनेस किया तो आई वाज लाइक दिस इज गुड यार, दिस
ये भी अच्छा है।
एनिमेशन इज प्रीटी गुड, यार ये भी अच्छा है। तो तब मैंने ठान ली कि यार ठीक है, ये एक फुल टाइम प्रोफेशन होना चाहिए,
बन सकता है।
शुड फॉलो दिस, बन सकता है।
What an amazing feeling, यार. I mean,
It is, it is, it is.
it's really a bloody blessing, yeah. But you were an assistant, right? You started off as an assistant director, right?
Yeah.
To
हाँ,
Raz and all these
1990 I think 8
nines.
में कॉलेज के बाद I was as confused as most college kids. मैंने कॉमर्स की डिग्री ली थी, लेकिन मुझे कुछ और करना चाहिए था। I should have done the arts.
हाँ.
और I realized I wasted 5 years of my life. और मुझे फिर ग्राफिक्स और एनिमेशन में जाना था। फिर मुकेश जी ने कहा, why don't you try at different things, editing, acting, direction. तो मैंने असिस्टेंट के तौर पे मैं रहा 1 साल तक, और मुझे लगा कि ये बहुत काम है यार, मैं इतना काम नहीं कर सकता हूँ। And thankfully, at that time, Bhatt Saab offered me, and I was very scared to act. I found it extremely unnerving.
ये good looks मैं waste क्यों करूँ?
Yeah, exactly. But he told me that no. Then I told him no. मैंने कहा कि मुझे acting नहीं करनी है।
What are you saying,
And
really?
yeah, I rejected it because it was not my thing. फिर उसके बाद मैंने कहा कि ठीक है, मेरे समर वेकेशंस थे टीआरबी कॉम के बाद, मैंने कहा कि ठीक है अभी कर लूंगा। तो फुटपाथ हुई, फिर उसके बाद one thing led to the other. So it's purely by accident.
Which is your? Can I tell you which is my favorite film of yours?
हाँ,
I have two.
कौन सी जन्नत?
No. I mean, of course, but I'm not going to say
Of
that.
course.
I loved Avarapan. I'm saying
Hmm.
only from your point of view. And Once Upon a Time.
Once Upon a Time Mumbai, yeah, that's
And
also a very special film.
those are the films. But my favorite is Bard of Blood.
Hmm. Yeah,
I
it's.
don't
I
know
mean,
that.
I think Bard of Blood presented me in a light जो लोगों ने मुझे कभी देखा नहीं था इससे पहले, और मेरे लिए Netflix OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स एक बहुत अच्छा और नया एवेन्यू था, क्योंकि जो आप सिनेमा में थोड़े आप रिस्ट्रिक्ट हो जाते हैं फिल्मों के साथ। If you were a spy for the celluloid screen, every 10 minutes we would break out into a song. So at least
Yeah.
Bard of Blood gives you a narrative stretched over 7 episodes, जो interesting है, and it's kind of international. So that was a
But
good.
somebody who's, I mean, you have to give the credit to the devil also, that music has been a huge, जो music है,
Yeah.
जो आपका music है, आप बहुत ही lucky रहे हो music के साथ।
जी।
जो भी म्यूजिक, जो भी फिल्म में आप हैं, उसमें कम से कम 1 या 2 सॉन्ग्स तो कम से कम सुपर डुपर हिट थे।
Yeah,
It's absolutely right to say that music was more
Yes.
important than your heroine.
Yes. Oh, don't say that. Sonal will be very upset, huh?
Sonal is very upset. वो मैंने,
And she's gonna watch this.
बट मैं आपको बता दूं कि आपके एक दूसरी हीरोइन है, विद्या बालन, who
Mm-hmm.
was here 2 days ago.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And she's also very upset with you.
Why so?
Everybody's very upset with you.
Why so? So a
I
nice
don't
guy.
know, यार.
I don't know.
Yeah,
What have I
you're a
done
nice
to
guy.
all this? What have I done?
पता नहीं है.
I don't deserve this hate from people.
We love you so much that it's hard to stay away from you. अभी क्या करेंगे?
Yeah, it's a love-hate relationship.
Amy, there's a lot of times when a lot of people have to bulk up or lean down. अपना पूरा जो physique है वो change करना पड़ता है within 2 months, 1 month to do a thing. And I know कि you've done it. I can think of 2 to 3 occasions when you've done it. So while I was kind of doing this and announcing it to a lot of people, that was one question which came up a lot, that how do you do it? You want to tell them about it? And about vegetarianism?
I think जो सबसे मुश्किल था वो था शंघाई से मर्डर 2 में जाना, क्योंकि शंघाई में एक टोन की जरूरत थी, और उसके लिए मुझे पिज्जा खाना था, बर्गर्स और केक्स,
Poor thing.
जो उस वक्त you get into the method of it and you feel really good कि यार ठीक है मैं अपने आर्ट के लिए कर रहा हूँ and all that, but बैंड लग जाती है उसके बाद, because after 6 months I had to shoot for murder. Yeah, after 6 months. And I had to work my ass off to kind of get into that 6-pack ab look.
Yeah.
और ये एक्चुअली यो किया था क्योंकि आई स्टार्टेड ऑफ विद वंस अपॉन अ मुंबई जहाँ पे मेरे एब्स थे, सिक्स पैक एब्स एंड दैट काइंड ऑफ बॉडी, बिकॉज आई वाज अ ट्रेंड एट दैट टाइम, सिक्स पैक्स. But and then after Shanghai happened this. So I think it's a lot to do with just your mental capacity. और आपको प्रिपेयर होना पड़ेगा कि वर्कलोड आपका विथ AM PM वर्कआउट्स, लाइक इवन राइट नाउ, क्योंकि मेरे पास इतना वक्त है, so that I don't go bonkers and don't get frustrated. मैं एक्चुअली 2 बार वर्कआउट कर रहा हूँ दिन में. So there's an AM and PM rich itinerary routine. तो सुबह में मैं वेट ट्रेनिंग करता हूँ और शाम को मैं जॉग करता हूँ या वॉक करता हूँ. So there is I keep that balance.
लेकिन घर के अंदर ही है. That's very important. We all have to realize.
Yeah.
And I'm sure the nutrition plays a very important role. And ये मैं क्या सुन रहा हूँ कि आप vegetarian हो अभी? Is it true?
I want to become, yeah. How do you know, yeah? You've got my houses bugged out. Morning, I spoke to my wife and I said that I'm sick of chicken and I can't stand the sight of chicken in my plate. So I have to, now I've gone to vegetarian now, yeah.
I feel you, brother.
Yeah, I know. We have that connect.
एक अजीब किस्म की एक connection है हमारी.
Yeah. It's kind of scary also and unnerving.
Yeah. That's the reason that we must feed the audience. भूखे हैं वो देखने के लिए कि कब इमरान विशाल के साथ फिर से उन्हें.
Don't make it more awkward than it already is, Vishal.
I can't help it, man.
So yeah, मैं अभी vegetarian बन गया. हाँ.
I want to tell everybody about how difficult it is to shoot with Imran Hashmi.
Difficult?
Yeah. It was very difficult.
I'm the easiest person to shoot with, yeah.
No, not for me.
I think so.
Not for me. I challenge you to look at me straight into the camera with a straight face.
No, I can't do that, right? Because your face is up there. I see your face when I look in the camera, so I can't say you with a straight face.
Okay, so
I always laugh when I look at you.
That's the point. वही मैं point बना रहा था कि when we were shooting together, हम एक दूसरे के सामने थे और जब भी मैं उन्हें कुछ कहने की कोशिश, especially एक बहुत ही intense scene था जो किसी ने मुझे भेजा है आज और मैं भी देख रहा था. एक एंड सीन था जब इमरान हाशमी को गोली लगी है, पुलिस उनके पीछे भाग रही है, साउथ अफ्रीका में वो भाग रहे हैं, मुझे फोन करते हैं विशाल गाड़ी ला, और मैं गाड़ी लाता हूँ और मैं गाड़ी खोलता हूँ और इमरान हाशमी बैठते हैं और वो खून बह रहा है उनके हाथों से और मेरे आंखों से आंसू निकल रहे हैं. और ये शूट ऐसे होती है कि आगे कैमरा पर गाड़ी होती है जिस पर कैमरा होता है और हम उसे फॉलो करते हैं और अंदर भी होती है. इतने फ्रस्ट्रेटेड हो गए वो लोग क्योंकि मैं ऐसे चला रहा था गाड़ी और इमरान ऐसे मेरे लेफ्ट में थे और मैं ये रोने की एक्टिंग कर रहा था और जब मैं लेफ्ट में देखता था ये ऐसे उनका जो चेहरा है बिल्कुल ऐसे जो अभी इसी वक्त है, ओके, बिल्कुल ऐसे था. तो आप मुझे बताइए कि कैसे कोई इनका चेहरा देखकर सीरियसली
I test your craft, ना. अगर आप इन कैरेक्टर में रह सकते हैं with me distracting you, you shouldn't let these distractions get you, Vishal. So I was testing your craft.
There's one thing which I really want to know. Out of all the songs, which one is the favorite?
No, it's very tough, yeah. It's
okay. Choose 3 top ones at this moment.
It's actually not what people would expect. All those songs are my favorites. But I think the first song. Don't play it right now, yeah.
No, wait, listen now. I want to play something.
Don't get filmy on me, yaar.
I'm not getting filmy on you. I'm trying to show off here. 1 second, okay? Just wait. I'm trying to act smart, okay? I'm very high tech now. Alexa.
Oh God.
She's not listening to me.
Yeah, she's saying, "Screw you."
It's actually my wife sitting down like that, but she's not saying.
Oh, she's kind of miming Alexa. Yeah. All the songs, man. I don't know. Jannat's songs were fantastic. Zarasi was fantastic.
I like, in a very morbid way. I think Mohit will hate me for saying it, but Hamari Adhuri Kahani, the title track, I love it.
That's a very nice track.
You know?
It's a fantastic track. Or
is it odd for you not to sing songs, not to lip sync songs on the OTT platform? No, it's not. No? I think you just have to switch gears. आप
जब एक realistic show कर रहे हैं, so you have to be very prepared that this is not a lot of things that work in cinema have to be kind of junked, and this is for an entirely new kind of audience. एक अलग medium है और अलग tastes हैं, so you have to let that go and play a different kind of role in those circumstances.
But let's get back to those songs, yeah. I mean, that's something which is a lot of people want to know about.
I think एक दूसरा गाना जो अभी जहन में आ रहा है वो दुआ from Shanghai.
Yeah.
It's a fantastic track. Gangsters tracks were very good. Ya Ali, Tu Hi Shab Hai. So I've been very fortunate with songs. तो एक बहुत लंबी playlist है. So it's very difficult to kind of pick up one song and say that that's the favorite. Like Murder 2 songs also are fantastic. Murder 2 songs are fantastic. Phir Mohabbat. Yeah.
I also like the Jannat 2 songs, Tum Mile and all that stuff. Those were epic.
Yeah. Jannat 2 was fantastic. Tum Mile was great. The album was
outstanding.
Out of this world. Yeah. और I think जैसे जो पहला बहुत बड़ा हिट था भीगे होंठ मर्डर में, कहो ना कहो, फिर we had given Kunal Ganjawala first few, I think that was his first song, I think, if I'm not wrong. और and Atif का की जो पहली बार उन्होंने गाया था for a Hindi film in Aadat. No, was it Aadat? Wolame. Sorry, Wolame.
Oh yeah. And how many times has Atif sung for you, yeah?
He sung for Wolame, then he sung for Aadat in Kalyug.
What a song! So, I love that. Up to I love that song. Actually,
yeah.
But Jannat is special, yeah. That had thing. But hey, listen, what's with the? I remember you telling me a long time ago about maybe wanting to start like a healthy restaurant and stuff like that. Is that happening? Are you getting time to do other
now
stuff?
Restaurants? I don't think restaurants are out of the itinerary right now during COVID. Yeah.
No.
I would love to start something like maybe in I don't know, healthy eats or something in nutrition, because पिछले कुछ सालों में we have the kind of data that I've compiled और जितना मैंने पढ़ा है, and just got my family in order with what we eat and just having a healthy lifestyle. That's something that I would want to get into, but no plans.
Anything you want to say to all the people watching here? Any message to all these guys who are watching?
यही कि ये एक बहुत ही मुश्किल समय है हम सब के लिए, लेकिन I think we'll get through this, और मेरी दुआएं आप सबके साथ हैं. Thank you for coming on this chat. Are we wrapping up, by the way?
No, I am getting a vibe that you're like getting itchy and all that stuff. Yeah. So I'm
not getting itchy. I think this door is my son is gonna break this door down right now, because I'm sitting in his PlayStation room. He plays PlayStation here.
I want to introduce
you. Want to meet
somebody.
him? You want to meet
him? And I want you to meet my daughter.
Yeah.
Please.
Oh, she's hiding behind, was she?
She's here. She's here.
Oh.
Come here. Say hi. Say hi. This is Vedika.
Hello. Hi.
This is Naughty Uncle. Okay.
How are you doing?
This is Naughty Amy Uncle.
How is she faring with school not happening now?
Online stuff.
But there's no substitute for just the the school and the environment.
ये मुझे सबसे बुरा लग रहा है. हमारे लिए नहीं, लेकिन
हाँ, बच्चों के लिए. We can be very mature about this, और हम इसमें logic डाल सकते हैं, लेकिन बच्चों के लिए उनको क्या समझाएं, because अयान के स्कूल में भी कब तक ये चलेगा, कब वो अपने दोस्तों से मिल पाएगा. And also for your daughter, it's a very testing time for all of them.
I'd love to meet your son, yeah, whenever, if he's there, but otherwise.
Let me see. Wait. Ayan.
Come, say hi to him. Yeah, it'll be nice.
Ayan, you want to come now? Just say hi
now. This uncle and me have done a film. I can't show you any of this uncle's films. Let me tell him that. Amy.
Okay, don't get scared, huh? He's not had a haircut.
Okay.
I gotta cut his hair.
See. Oh, dude, what's happening?
Hi,
How you doing?
I'm doing good.
You're looking
It's,
good, buddy. Thank
it's
God you
doing
don't
a
look like your
lion.
father.
You know, I tried to cut his hair. I didn't want to like screw it up,
The only
so I
good,
just cut it a little bit here
the
in the
only
front.
good part about the.
Huh?
You remember it.
Yeah.
I will say.
What's he saying? The only good
No,
part.
nothing.
What?
I think he censored it himself.
Okay.
The best
Alright.
thing about the quarantine is that I don't need to cut my hair.
Yeah, he doesn't like. He wants to keep long hair. So he said the best thing about quarantine is not cutting his hair.
Super meeting you, buddy. Wow,
Yep.
we've grown up, yeah.
I know. I feel so old when I look at you, man. I mean, how long has
know.
it been? Like, it's 12 years back we did a film together. I was like,
I
God.
think we forget films or
You don't look like you're 45.
I'm 52.
Oh shit! See, that's it.
I'm 4 years younger than you.
I know
I have
that's aloe vera.
Listen, I don't care if I do a film. I mean, of course. I'd
You
love
gotta
to.
send that regime to me, please.
It sucks.
Your
It
moisturizing
sucks that-
regime.
It sucks. It sucks that I haven't met you in such a long time. It really sucks that we haven't.
We will catch up at the other side of this
This
problem
is one
that we are
thing.
in.
I'm interrupting you again. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
This
No,
is one
please.
thing. And I'll say this in Hindi because a lot of people, you know, एक चीज जो realize होती है कि ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं जो आप सोचते हैं कि यार मैं अभी मिलूंगा, मैं अभी फोन करूंगा, मैं अभी जाकर कोशिश करूंगा क्योंकि आप सब अपने लाइफ में बिजी होते हैं. But you just realize at times like this, इतना बड़ा झटका लगता है. I wish at least these people are people that I had kept in touch with.
Yeah. No, it's. I think also it's a great sense of community right now क्योंकि इतने लोगों ने जिनसे एक तरह से मैं cut off हो गया था. I had not spoken to them since college. And everyone has reached out just to ask if you're safe, your family's safe, and I think that there's a silver lining to this. There definitely is, and we will emerge stronger out of this problem.
Amy, I'm so glad that I managed to get you and convince you to do this. And मैं सबको बता दूं कि it didn't take a
You
lot
don't
of
have to convince me. You had me at hello. You had me at hello.
And I feel very awkward being. I feel very awkward being so. मेरे सारे emotions दिखाने को मैं बहुत ही awkward feel कर रहा हूँ. But I'm going to look away as I did all my shots in Jannat, all the serious ones. But to tell you that you're a fine man, you're a great guy, and I'm so proud to have you as a friend. So thank you. And once things kind of settle down, I don't care whether you like it or not. Like, I'm just going to be coming and making sure that I meet you a lot more often.
Yeah, but please wear a biosuit and come, okay?
No, you'll see me in my actuals.
Or a face mask.
Take care of yourself.
All right, man. Take care of yourself and your family, and we shall meet on the other side of this.
For sure.
Yeah.
Love you.
Take care to all the fans. Thank you for joining in. Love you guys. Stay safe. अपने family का ध्यान रखिए, अपना ध्यान रखिए, and take care of your immunity. और इंशाल्लाह हम सब on track. फिर से life as we knew it will get back to normal very soon. Inshallah.
Yep.
Thank you.
Amy, thank you so much, man. Really appreciate
Thank you, man.
it. I had a lot of fun. I really had a lot of fun.
Me too, man. Cheers.
I'll call you soon, not take my call.
Okay. See you. No, don't do that.
Okay, see you, man. Bye.
I charge for that.
I'm not disconnected yet.
I know.
Bye, bud. Love.
All right, man. Bye. See you.
Man, amazing. I really love this guy. He's just a fine guy. I hope you had fun. Imran Hashmi.